Hello, Galaxy S24 Ultra can become the first flagship Samsung phone with fast charging technology with a power of 65 watts. For this, the company is working on the adaptation of the multi-layer design of the batteries of the electric car to work with mobile devices. The news says that Samsung is at the stage of prototyping multi-layer batteries for smartphones. In the previous message, it was said that the company is preparing to start production at its plant in Xianan, Seoul, but recent cases claim that the production equipment necessary for the production of multi-layer batteries has not yet arrived at the factory in Xianan. Rumor has it that Samsung is launching a pilot cycle for the production of multi-layer batteries in China. However, a limited number may prevent the technological giant from applying the modernized battery technology to the entire S24 line. Batteries for multi-layer smartphones have a number of advantages, from higher density to better performance and improved charging. However, there are rumors that Samsung may have to reserve this update for its top-of-the-line Galaxy S24 Ultra only. At best, in 2024, Samsung may have enough such batteries to power the Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. That is, the base model of the Galaxy S24 will be limited from using this new technology. It is quite possible that the base Galaxy S24 will support charging with a power of up to 25 W, while the rest of the models, or at least the Galaxy S24 Ultra, will have a charging speed of 65 W and a higher capacity. Looking further into 2024, it is also possible that the Galaxy Flip 6 and Fold 6 will use such batteries. At the moment, Samsung is preparing the Galaxy Fold 5 and Flip 5 for the presentation of the Galaxy Unpacked on July 26, and the Galaxy S24 series will probably be announced at the beginning of next year. In addition to the 3 flagship tablets, also ready for launch on the Galaxy Unpacked on July 26, Samsung is working not on one, but on 2 new Fun Edition tablets. Both were noticed in an online test a few months ago with the numbers of the SMX516B and SMX616B models. And so, the so-called Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus finally shows its face for the first time in renders. The Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus has a modernized design, worthy of standing next to the rest of the Tab S9 series in 2023, and we assume that the same will be with the usual Tab S9 FE. The Tab S9 FE Plus has 2 rear cameras instead of 1, so it looks like the Fun Edition tablet is getting a super wide-angle camera for the first time. Like the rest of the Tab S9 series tablets, the FE Plus has a magnetic strip of S Pen on the back panel, but whether this strip will be visible in the final product remains to be seen. If the renders are based on the size of the case, this little detail may be a little wrong. Time will tell. According to the old test, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus should work on the basis of the Exynos 1380 processor, developed by Samsung, and have 8GB of RAM. The Exynos 1380 is currently used in the Galaxy A54 5G and Galaxy F54 5G. Other noteworthy features include a fingerprint scanner, a 12-inch display and stereo speakers. It is assumed that the tablet will be available in gray, light green, light pink and silver colors. Samsung can present the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus at the next event, Unpacked, on July 26. We will definitely broadcast it, so subscribe and turn on the bell. Good luck to everyone.